Greetings people, how's it going? Today we're going to take a closer look at Exby, a pretty interesting focus, and that is advanced arbitrage trading. Now, Google explanation for that, it means you purchase something on one market, simultaneously sell it on a different market. Let's say for example you can buy Bitcoin at exactly $35,000 on Binance and sell it for $35,008 on Kraken. You would then make, per Bitcoin, $8 profit if you simultaneously at the exact same time buy and sell. That's the idea behind it. And the main focus that they have with arbitrage trading is under their products page, they have manual trading, auto trading, and liquidity farming. Under their auto trading option, they have a bunch of pairs available, for example, Bitcoin, USDT, Bitcoin, or the other way around. You have it with ETH, with Doge, if you like the memes, Tron as well, and a couple other coming in the future. And I started this about a day-ish ago for a 30-day test so I can see how much this makes. This is about like $250-ish in Bitcoin, so you can see exactly how much profit you can expect. But so far, when you select details, you will see the route they take from Binance and KuCoin and everything in between, with a return on investment of roughly 0.5%. You can also see an even more detailed view where you see percentage-wise how much of that order is finished and completed, the fees that are paid in between, and all the steps one by one. Depending on what you have in your wallet available, you can select two different options, then select exchange number 1 as well as number 2, see the percentage change, the fees that have to do with everything, and then also on the right-hand side, pick your duration, where you see how many orders a day you will get. If you feel like locking your money up for an entire year, if you want to, and you want to put in 1.8 Bitcoin, you could. That's an option, for which you would have up to 8 orders a day, which can then make quite a bit. According to the stats on the top right for the platform stats, they got almost 25,000 users with 47 million in order value and almost 10% of the order value in profit already. 20,000 orders that are open right now, 570,000 already closed. And that is the main aspect of this site. They also got liquidity farming, so you can join pools and farm there, where they even mention a minimum of 1.1% daily profit rate. They also call it potential, so you never know what you actually end up getting, but that is quite a lot. Because 1% a day means within 3 months you double your money. So for that's something I will try for the next month regarding the auto trading, so I can show you the exact profits, how much this one makes. It looks a bit confusing in the beginning, especially when you select the dashboard and you see 20 different numbers on the left, on the right, down there, and various things. But over time you get used to it. They also have an entire explanation video as well as their own YouTube channel, where you can see the registration bonus people get, the premium that they have, liquidity farming explained, as well as weekly updates. Same with their Twitter and their Telegram, where they mention the same things. And then, of course, there's a whole referral program behind it, where you can refer for profit or for farm. But instead of just referring for profit, where you get like a revenue share, you also have referrals for farming, where you see the various different levels in here, your link to invite people as well as your QR code, and how much you get in commissions. And if you want to, for example, they also have promo material available, so you can click on banners, select this, put onto your Twitch stream if you want to. And then a premium feature in the top right is available as well, which does cost $300, but gives you quite a lot. 6 manual trading orders every single day, access to 14 exchanges instead of 6, the withdrawal fee of 0.5% instead of 1%. So if you're into arbitrage trading, this is definitely something to take a look at. If you're interested, link down below, because this could be something specific that you like. Maybe you're interested in trading bots and a different exchange does the job for you. Or maybe you want to trade with leverage, then again, a different exchange offers a different thing. This is mainly focused on arbitrage trading, so if that is something for you and you want to combine that with, let's say, liquidity farming as well, both is available over here. Check out the Telegram and then see if this one is something for you. I'll update you most likely in 29 days, whenever my auto trading order down here finishes, so we can see exactly how much this one makes in profit and how much the 250 USDT turn into. That being said, more gaming focused videos probably by tomorrow, because there's quite a lot of stuff in the works. Until then, have a good rest of your day and take care.